Okay, so what am I going to do today? I am going to do a bit of a theory paper, ABRSM, grade 5. This paper dates back to 2006, so it's a very old one, but it's no harm doing it. If you can source the paper, go through your paper and then check your answers with me, or you can take a screenshot, work out your answer, pause the video while you work out your answer, and then check your answer with me. Even if it's an older paper, it's no harm doing it. Certainly the music theory doesn't change. What changes is, maybe the questions or the marking criteria. Anyway, too much talking already. I'm gonna do this one question at a time, one video at a time. Let's do it. Read the question carefully. Number 1. The following extract, which begins on the first beat of the bar, requires a different time signature for each bar. Put in the 3 correct time signature. So, what you want to do is take a screenshot, pause the video, work it out, and then press play and check your answers with me. Now, I'm going to do it. So 1 time signature per bar. What do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quarter notes. 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dotted crotchet, dotted quarter plus an 8th rest, a quaver rest. So 1, that's a quarter, 2 quavers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, funny one. 8, 4, but okay, it makes sense, it adds up, makes even more sense if you divide by 2, divide by 2, and you have 4 halves, Okay, so 4, 2. Then, what do we have here? Okay, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 4. 7, 4. And that's it. Okay, let's carry on. Harmonic analysis. Okay, so that was adding up to a time signature. Adding up time values to a certain time signature. This is harmonic analysis. Next question, harmonic analysis. Let's read the question carefully. Describe the chords marked ABC in the extract below as chord 1, chord 2, chord 4, or chord 5. Also indicate whether the lowest note of the chord is the root with a lowercase a, the 3rd with lowercase b, or the 5th with lowercase c. In other words, indicate the inversion of the chord. They give you the key. The key is E flat major. And at this stage, if you're going for grade 5, at this stage, at the mention of a key, in your mind, it's like a window should open on a landscape. A key is mentioned, and in your mind, all the harmonies within that key are clear as day. That's the point at which you should be if you want to do a grade 5 and get a distinction and be successful. So, work out your answer, pause the video, and then check your answers with me. I'm going to do it now. Okay, the first chord right under this bracket. However, this B flat octave, that B flat octave is still sounding right there. So you need to take that into account. Don't get tricked. That octave is still sounding. So that is chord 5. It's a B flat major chord. It's a B flat major chord. It's chord 5. It's in root position because the root of the chord is at the lowest. So 5A. Second chord, that's chord 4. In first inversion, it's an A flat major triad with the third at the bottom, at the lowest. So it's chord 4 in first inversion. Then here, careful, clef change. Clef change. If you miss that, you're gonna get the wrong chord or the wrong inversion. You're gonna get something wrong. Okay, so there's a clef change. Now we have the treble clef in the bottom staff, which means that this note is a B flat. That note is a B flat. Okay. So B flat, E flat, G. That's an E flat major chord with the fifth at the lowest. So that's chord 1, C. That's an E flat. That's a G. See, it's been held. The E flat here is still sounding. There's a G, there's a B flat at the bottom, which is practically here. So what's happening there is this E flat, the bottom voice of this, the bottom voice is still sounding here. Whoever did this paper wrote it in. So I have an E flat there. Then I have a G natural here. And then I have the B flat here in the left hand, treble clef, which is practically here. See? So that's an E flat chord in second inversion. In second inversion, chord 1, lowercase c. Clean that up a little bit. Okay, same question. Rewrite the left-hand part of bar 4 marked there so that it sounds the same. So no transposition, no change of octave, no transposition at all, but using the alto C clef. So in other words, rewrite that in the alto clef. Remember to put in the key signature. So maybe I can make that a little smaller so we see everything. That's that. So gotta rewrite this much. The left hand part of bar 4. This. That's that. The left hand part of bar 4 in the alto clef. And the key signature. So a key signature of 3 flat in the alto clef. No. My OCD is kicking in. Can I be neat, please? B flat, E flat, A flat. Okay. Then I had a C, a B flat, and an A. Middle C, B flat, and A. Now, the way these notes are going, the stems are going up, and they're quavers, like that. Yeah, I could be happy with that. There you go. That's it. So that's bar 4 in the alto clef with the key signature. Yeah, that's it. I'm happy with that. Let me clean it up. Now, stem direction. Stem direction. Don't be tricked by the stem direction. In the bass clef here, the stems are going down, because obviously the notes are high up on the staff. The notes are up here, so the stems are going down. But the moment I put those notes in the alto clef, you see the way they're going down that way, so the stems look better going up. Okay, and I think that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna do a question at a time, a page at a time, so that the videos are not too long and I get to practice this graphic pad a little bit. And to put something on YouTube, why not? So, hope you enjoyed it. I do have very limited room for theory lessons over Zoom with all of this. Very limited on maybe Thursday mornings. If you're interested, hit me up. Contact details are down below in the descriptions. Have a great day, happy practice, and see you soon. Thanks for watching.